It's a 2012 Chrysler 300. Exceptional in every way, it sets the standard for stunning. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and heated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com finds the 300 boasts sleeker styling, a quieter interior, and more comfortable ride than it did in years past. Interior craftsmanship is second to none in its class, and the 300's myriad electronic features are not only advanced but also easy to use. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 6100 North Telegraph Road in Toledo, Ohio.